Hey guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of a landscape. Alright, so let me show you guys how this works. This is the landscape developed using terrain. So I'm going to exit out. Let's start a new project entirely. Okay guys, the system is ready. I'm going to give my project a name. I'll call it landscape tree. And make sure you select Universal 3D. Then you can click on create. Okay, now the development environment is almost ready. The development environment is ready. So the first thing I'm going to do now is click on the hierarchy and let's select 3D. And on the 3D, we select terrain. There we go. The terrain is ready. Let's move this terrain so that we can see it. Okay, that's in this terrain. So let me select my camera here and I'll click on game. I just want to see how it will look like. That's the terrain here. It's not actually a fine string, so let's drag it down. I just need pixels. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is make sure this terrain is selected and come straight to the inspector here. And the inspector will need one of its component called raise and load. Here we go, look at it. Raise and load. Click on it. And just come here, just paint it around the terrain. But then you have to, before you start painting it around, what you need to do is make sure your brush is selected, which I already selected. And you see the brush size, I made that 400, and the opacity, make that maybe about 15. And just click on here, create around the terrain. So I'm going to run it now just to show you guys how it's going to look like. It seems the camera is not in place, so we won't be able to see it properly. So let's edit out. Select the main camera again and let's raise it up. Yeah, there we go. All right, I'm gonna run it some one more time. And there we go, that's the terrain. All right, we're not gonna leave it like that. So let's go straight to into Windows and let's select Package Manager. And now I'm going to click on my assets here. I want to install starter assets. I will install the first person starter asset as well and click on and then click on install or upgrade. All right. Okay, the starter assets is ready, so click on import again. Okay, as you guys can see right here, it says in project. The starter asset is in project. I'm also going to install another asset. It's called do poly environments. Look at that. There we go. That's it. That's the load poly environment. So let's click on import as well. All right. Since low poly is imported, let's just click on this import. And that will be all for the assets. So the first one is starter asset, the second one is the low poly environment, natural free assets. Okay guys, the low poly is now in the program as well. You can see here it says in projects. So I'm going to exit out for now. All right. So select your terrain here. Make sure that is selected. But let's add the first person to it first. Let's come right down here. Click on the starter asset and then select first person. And inside set first person, click on click one. And the one I need is the one that says nested parent. Let's draw the nested parent. somewhere. Okay, that will do. And click inside the file. That's the folder there. For next appearance, select these two last components. This one is called UI Camera Starter Asset. So let's uncheck that, disable that, and disable the event as well. Now, one other thing that I'm going to disable is the main camera. Disable that. And if you look inside the next appearance, there's a camera in there. This camera we have, which is known as Cedar Machine. So that is fine for us. Right, so we keep that. Now, let's run it and see how this Cedar Machine looks. There we go, guys. So we can now turn around, we can move around, we can do whatever we want to do. Okay, using the tab keys, the mouse. Okay, that's good. Now, let's exit out. Next thing is make sure your terrain is selected, and in here, I want to now select inspection. So come right to the editor, or the editor, select add layer, add the level, the very level I'm adding is display one, so select it, and then like there. So let's run it one more time and see. All right, this is how it's looking like now. Okay, so I'm going to exit out. While the terrain is still selected, let's come in here and select paint details. Click on paint details and scroll right down. Make sure your battery, your brush is about 300. And see that's fine there. Select edit details. Click on add grass. There we go. And in here is add dialog. Click on that. Let's select the grass we intend to use. I can see some grass here. I'm just going to search for this very one. I click on add. We can now make sure our brush size, okay, let's say that 6, and brush size here is 300. It's all the way to terrain. I should be grass. Right, so let's try it and see that. All right, check that out. You can see the grass. Okay, we can add more grass if you want. The choice is yours. Okay. Now, let's just add more grass to that. So let's make sure grass is selected and the details grass here. Just paint it as well. That's about 400. That's absolutely so. Size, the brush size, and just paint it grass everywhere. Okay, run it one more time. Let's see. Right there, guys. Okay, let's add trees to this. I'm going to add some times. Let's go back here. See where the poly, the low poly. Let's double click on where it says environments. Need to install something in there. See where we have URP. Click on URP. And here we have native free URP 17. So we double click on that and let's get this imported first. Okay. Once that is done, then we can make sure the terrain is selected and let's go back again and get the tree. Edit, add trees. And in here, let's click on the tree form and the tree should appear somewhere. Okay, guys, I'm going to select this very first one here, the tree, and let's close that. And then click on add. There we go, that's the tree. If you click on this mouse place tree, we have 10,000 bills in there. So I'm just going to ask you to mass place it. Click on that, and we should see it. We have 10,000 trees everywhere. So if I click on run, should be able to see the mass place trees. There we go, look at that, it's coming up now. Yeah, the tree has taken shape. There we go, those are the trees. Okay, so one last thing I'm going to do is just to change the sky. So within this little polling, there's a sky added. So I might as well just go to Windows and I'm going to select render, click on the lighting, and let's select environment. Now, skybox material, click on that and let's click on icon. And I'm going to select these various commands. Okay, let's just go right here. Select it. As you can see, the environment has changed. So let's click on run. There we go, guys. Check that out. And that is how you create your own terrain in Unity. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed it, and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can always join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day. Bye for now.